Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have some new X-Tiger cycling stuff. This one here, I'll show you what it is. So check this out. I love their stuff, man. Okay, so this is a pair of cycling shorts and this is medium, which is the size I wear. I'll put it on in a second, but I'll show you guys what they have inside to make these nice. They have the gel, high protection, pads and stuff like that, and they've got it all around. It's nice and squishy, so you don't get the butt hurt. And this one here has a pocket in the back, so if you have some stuff you want to take along with you on your ride, you've got that. So let me go try this on and I'll show you guys how it is. I'm back. Okay, let's aim you guys down a little bit. So I got a size medium, which is probably good for me. And it's got some of the reflectors on the sides. It's got little pockets on the side here too, so I can put some, I'll probably keep my phone in there or something like that. It's nice and tight. It's got a good feel, good tight feel. Nice sit bone area here. And I've used these guys' stuff, before the X-Tiger pants. I'll just point you guys up a little bit. I used the X-Tiger pants a few times before. I've gotten them and I love the way their padding feels and the way they have it separated instead of just a huge goop of gel. I think it just makes it a little cooler and better. But look, how do I look? Nice and cool? Good. Thumbs up.